update. The owner, he brought me this turbo. Now, let's see the difference. There is some difference, right? Okay. Then, I found out that this is 3.5 inches. So what I'm gonna do, I have this aluminum piece. This aluminum piece will gonna go here like that. All right. Then I'm gonna put also this hose clamp. I'm gonna torque it down to don't hit the turbine wheel anywhere while it goes to his place. And another thing, like I said to the owner, I have to swap the cold side. I have to get the cold side from here and put it on this one. Why? Because this, it's like this front. The lip here where it comes the pipe for the intake, it's smooth, and the angle of this pipe, it's different than this one. All right. So let's do that. Let's prepare this one for shipping. No, he told me to don't put the housing. What he said? Ah, yeah, he told me to don't put the housing. So I have to fix also. I have to find something to protect the turbo front. Yay, beautiful, excellent, lovely. Yeah, let's see what I'm gonna do. Small update. I brought also one bracket here. Why I brought the bracket? I wanna make 2 lines. It's not the best bracket that I found. I'm gonna find a thinner one. I'm gonna make 1 line here and 1 line here on the housing to align it properly here, because this is with a C-clip all around, and it's a headache to clog it there inside. To go in exactly the same position as it was. That's what I'm talking about. Here and here, where I'm pointing. From this side and this side, and it's the same here and here. Yep, small update. Small update. Okay, fun for the turbine wheel. What in hell I'm gonna put on the compressor wheel side? Good luck. I'm gonna find something. I'm gonna think something. Yep. Since I forget to upload the video, okay, that's the turbo. I already dressed it. Alright. I forget to say to the customer to bring me the gasket for the oil return. Okay, back together. Mr. Nufu here, he's gonna place it back on the car. Dang it, Nufu, you know what I didn't do? Shit, I didn't check the EGD sensor. One EGD sensor is not running. Oh boy. Oh boy. Give me 1 minute to call the customer, to call the owner, to see. First of all, he has another EGD sensor, and to see which one has a problem. Yeah. All right. And one friend, he placed a comment. He asked if I'm against or if it's okay to wrap the headers. It's okay to wrap it. Now, you don't want to wrap it. Some people they're wrapping it. Some people they're not wrapping it. It is what it is, right? Yeah, it's not bad thing. It's not bad thing. Let us say like that. Okay. EGD sensors, right? Yeah. Go find the channel. Go see the connection, where is the connection, and not only that, okay, this is not a big deal. Then I have to fix something to protect this turbo, because now it does have a cold side. From this side, from the turbine wheel, I fixed this aluminum piece with a clamp here, what you see, and it's nice and secured. You can place it down there, you're not gonna hit anywhere, alright? Here, what I'm gonna put? I'm gonna put my hand. That's it now, that's the end. Over and out.